Today, I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful fall-inspired berry sort of look. This is going to still be a very glowy, very natural look, but we are going to incorporate some berry tones in it. So I want to show you a great way to wear this in the winter while still giving your skin that beautiful glow, that really natural, hydrated look. Let's do it together. Okay, so I just have my foundation on. I used my RCMA foundation palette, and I used that also for my concealer and for my bronzer. Then I'm going to take a cream blush. You can use a powder blush if you want, but this is really going to just liven up your skin. It's very watery. This is an Australian brand, so you might not be able to get it in the States. However, you can still get something that's very, very close to it. Then I'm going to take High Beam from Benefit. I know, an oldie, but a goodie. I'm just gonna place it on the back of my hand. Any illuminator like this will do. And you don't necessarily have to mix them together, but I recommend it. I think it's easy. I'm going to take my little MAC 178 SE brush, and I'm going to mix them together just like this on the back of my hand. I love a little stippling brush like this when you're applying a nice berry cheek because you can really control the color a lot easier. It's not going to be very dense. So I'm going to start just here, working my way up, and you're already getting that great glow. Now I like to put blush under my eye as well, even if it's a cream blush. Looking beautiful. I still have plenty on my brush, so I'm going to move to this side. Just patting in. It does feel very, very lightweight on the skin, so you're not going to be weighed down, not only with the color, but with the feeling. Just blending right into the temple and still staying on top of my cheekbone. I can take either my finger or I can take my foundation brush that I already used today for my foundation, and I'm just going to blend it in. You can wear this any season. I'm not going to say this is just a fall look, because I think it's really beautiful. Now as a base, ideally what I would want to do is to apply the same cream blush that I used on my cheeks, my lips. That way it's just going to be a very cohesive look. And what I always do is I apply my lip color first before I apply my lip liner. You take a little bit here and just coat my lips. This is a lip stain, and it's very comfortable. Something that's really buildable. Now you can absolutely leave it just like this. You can pop some gloss on top if you want, or we'll take it one step further and we'll just add a little bit of a darker lip liner. So what I do is I start by lining my lip from the outer corner, work my way up to the top of my Cupid's bow, and fill in the rest of the lip. I define my Cupid's bow. I know a lot of people just go straight across, but this suits my face the best. Touch up around the lip if needed. I like to make it look nice and crispy clean. Reapply your lip liner one more time also if you want to make it look extra crisp. And you can leave the eyes kind of bare. It gives you a very beautiful kind of 1920s, 1930s look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was so easy. You can do this with anything that you have at home. Even if you have a berry lipstick, you can crush it up and use it as your blush. So don't feel like you need to get anything specific. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.